What's up, guys? This is day 2, Saturday morning up here. We are in Princeton, West Virginia. Just finished up with our day 1 ride last night. We were out there till about 9:30 or so. It was wet. We ended up getting caught in a decent rainstorm, got really wet. It really rained on. Everything was sloppy, super muddy. So that was a little slow going on the way back, but we finally made it out of there. And we're gonna be changing it up a little bit. We're going back to probably our favorite outlaw spot. That is gonna be over Ashland, Crumpler area. Indian Ridge Trailhead's where we're headed here this morning. So hopefully we actually get some decent content for you today. And hang on.
Arnie, you got your rocks.
Tyler, did you feel that when we fucking?
Oh yeah, we were gonna go all the way over if that wall wasn't there.
I tipped over. I literally tipped over onto 2 wheels, and I was like,
saw
oh,
that
fuck.
wall, and I was like, Joey, hold this.
Yeah.
I need 2 hands.
No, I really thought John just reached out and said, meh. What'd you think of that, Joey?
That was some fucking fun.
That shit's crazy, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's how we start the day.
Oh.
I fucking now had me puckering, man. I was shaking a little bit. Look at that.
Have you brought boatmen to these rocks?
We've never been on this trail.
Was that a red?
Yeah.
That was that red? Yeah.
These are some big rocks.
That way? When we come
Down
out?
the green. Those are
Yeah, that all those
the
trails.
one
over
that
there.
we saw that was like a gravel road.
I got
Scratches on my side of my buggy now.
Somebody, okay, who has their phone on them?
I do.
Take some pictures of these rocks.
And send them to boatmen.
Yes.
Big rock. What you doing, Joey?